Ukrainian forces managed to stop the Russian offensive in the east and to create the conditions for a counter-offensive in the south of the country with the precise strikes of American HIMARS. But that does not mean that the fronts in Ukraine are at rest. On the contrary, fighting is going on from north to south, and the Ukrainian armed forces continue to suppress Russian military supremacy with inventive tactics. The use of improvised grenades dropped on enemy forces from drones has become commonplace in the Ukrainian war. This relatively new combat practice will certainly cause a lot of headaches for armies around the world in future wars. This is Ukrainian drone dropping munitions on a Russian BMP-3. This video from Ukraine's 22nd Motorized Infantry Battalion, showing a Ukrainian T-64BM tank destroying a Russian R-149 MA-1 command staff vehicle with indirect fire. This are artillery strikes by M777 and Mstab-E howitzers from Ukraine's 44th Artillery Brigade. Just another captured Russian BTR-82. Ukraine has received Kirpi MRAPs from Turkey.
Вот такі симпатичні машинки. Кількість 50 штук. Вже поїхали на передок.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.